Alright, we're on our way to Destin and going down the intercoastal.
It's alright, it's okay. Bris is traveling today.
Oh yeah, baby.
It's alright, it's okay. Across the country.
Everything's looking pretty good. Taking the inflatable. Passing under the bridge at Fort Walton Beach. And then off in the distance is Destin and Crab Island. And Destin's a pretty long trek, not too bad though. Up ahead is Crab Island. See some of the boats. That is Destin right there. Everything's going pretty good. This is Crab Island. Mid-October 2022. It's time to get in the water. All the party boats are over on Crab Island over there. But I'm going to be checking out some of this grassy area. I'm going to see if I can find any marine life at all. Just for fun. Water should be nice. It looks really clear. And I'll show you around under there. Probably overdo it with some of the safety equipment for shallow water, but I'm 63. I'm solo. I want to take every precaution. So yeah, I'll wear the Yeti vest. What you do is you just push this down. Now you've got like an airbag. Now if you want to dive, you just push it down. You hear it, just drain it out. Super easy to use. And it's just a safety precaution. You know, it's just smart, I think, for me in my situation. All right, let's get in the water. Well, not too much sea life at all. One fish, I mean, my gosh. Surprised. Probably thing to do is to go over, I might do it right now, go over by the jetties. We're going to take the small boat over to the jetties. So, just getting things organized on here. And we'll be cranking it around and through some of these folks. It's a no-wake area, so it's pretty secure. We're okay. It's going to be really fun snorkeling too. The water's really clear. It doesn't look kind of hazy today. It definitely wasn't as clear out where we were as we're used to. Let's see what this looks like under here. Boy, the current's pushing. It's time to be coming in, I guess. Yeah, some visibility, but nothing great. So heck, let's check it out. I like to, rather than pull it up on the beach with all the wear and tear, the sand does wear on the boat. So I just throw a little anchor out. Let's go see what's by the rocks. That was pretty cool. I wish the water was a little bit clearer, but man, you can't complain about that. There were some bigger fish, not real big, but that was fun. I think we should go to another area. Go around inside there. I've never been over on this side. Holy crap. That's awesome. Let's go over here. Wow. It's insane. I'll go around those waves this time. That's the opening to the Gulf of Mexico right there. If it was really calm, it seems to be really swirling today. We'll have to go out to the end of those jetties sometime, go snorkeling, but you really got to get it at slack tide or it's just nuts. You got to watch out for people fishing too. They get really pissed if you run over their lines. So we'll swing her around here. Get the heck out of here. The hell. Look at that, man. Just nuts. We're gonna come back to this little beach and this little jetty, and I think I'm gonna go around that side over there too. Maybe check out here a little more. Seems to be the better choice. Really calm. I think the water looks. I'm gonna have to go over that side and see what's going on over there. Well, that was a fun little snorkeling trip. Back under the bridge, idle speed through the infamous Crab Island over here. I screwed up and didn't bring my hat. I'm gonna get too much sun. I'm up on the Lily Bella. All right, and we're back. Nice about the boat design is that you can shower right here, right outside the cabin, and everything will just run out the back. Oh, look at that sunset. man, it's looking gorgeous. Sun's going down. So I'm gonna fire up the barbecue. I've never used it before. I'm going to give her a shot. I found some steaks in the cooler. I'm gonna cook a couple of these little guys up. We're gonna eat the rest of this onion and tomato. I don't know about the avocado, but we'll figure it out. Right now, let's see if we can get this baby lit. By golly, it's lit. Just let her get hot for a minute. Cool. That sucker's hot, baby. Just want to put a little bit of oil on those grates. Be very careful. There we go. I think we're going to take this what's left of this tomato, most of this onion, and I don't know if I can save that avocado. I'm going to grab pretty fast. What I have here is a weird little tomato, onion, and avocado salad that I'd better use. That, my friends, is a salad right there. This barbecue is going to be a staple, I think. You know what? Some horseradish. Yeah, a little bit of Louisiana. A little bit of red still. Didn't overcook it too bad. Well, we need like a little bit of onion and tomato and steak, horseradish, right? Does that sound good? It's gorgeous out, absolutely gorgeous. It's got to be 70 degrees, 72 degrees. It's absolutely beautiful. It was a really good day today. The sun's going down. It's just gorgeous out here. Should be another, like, no wind, some south wind. Pretty calm. Sunrise on the Chakatawachi Bay at Destin. I'm the only one out here. I thought, oh, maybe there's another boat way over there. I don't know. But generally, when there's any wind, this gets pretty choppy in here. And it's not that great for anchoring. But it was like such light winds. The next couple of days, it's like perfect opportunity to just stay right here at Crab Island and enjoy the day directly from here. I'm actually in about 5 feet of water, so it's really kind of ideal. And right over there is the U.S. Coast Guard station. Can't get much of a safer place than within there. They can look out the window and see me. Just sunrise. You see where we're at here, and I am going to make breakfast right now. For our breakfast, we're going to be using the induction burner. We're going to be plugged into, I have an electric cord that runs underneath. Put a couple of 2-inch ports in from the Bluetti, which is sitting at 38%. So we're going to see how much that drops by using the induction burner to make a 2-egg bacon and cheese omelet. First we gotta turn the AC on. So the AC is on. And we are ready to pop this baby on. Remember, we were at 38%. What's nice about the preheating is it happens so quickly. It's our leftover stuff from yesterday. But we need cheese, a couple of eggs, because this get that hot. So the pan's like ready to go. So let's get these eggs in. Close that for the time being. Alright, here come our eggs. You can tell by the oil how fast this pan heats up. It's just unreal. This is a green pan Valencia, which is like the best frying pan made today, in case you're wondering. I'm not paid to say that or anything. Not that anyone would pay me to say sell a damn thing. Okay, we're just gonna use a plastic fork here because I would generally do this with another dish, you know what I mean, but I don't want to make dishes, so I'm just gonna mix this thing up right in the frying pan to make this omelet. We'll see how she does. Okay, got our cheese, we've got our bacon. This other stuff can go back into the cooler. We're gonna add our bacon right away here, like now. We're just gonna put it right on this uncooked egg side. So when we flip her over, the bacon will be on the pan. Here we go. Oh yeah, baby. Okay, we're gonna check our percentage here in a minute because this is almost done. All right, we're back to the other side. We're gonna put some cheese on there. Just like that. And then we're gonna make it an omelet. Oh baby, look at that. That's two egg omelet. 2 eggs plenty. Da-da-da-da. Fixed it. Alrighty. Now, power's off. Let's see how much power we use. We're at 38%. We're at 35%. So we use about 3% of renewable energy. So as soon as the sun comes out, I got that 200 watts. We'll be charging the battery again.